you ready to unlock your full mental potential? Introducing the 500 Mind-Bending Puzzles book, the ultimate challenge for anyone of any age looking to sharpen their mind, boost their IQ, and have fun doing it. Inside, you'll find 500 puzzles crafted to stretch your thinking and expand your problem-solving skills. And don't worry, with the companion answer book, you'll always have a guide to help you understand the trickiest answers. Whether you're a puzzle lover, training for an IQ test, or just want to get smarter every day, this is the collection you've been waiting for. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description to immediately get your instant PDF copies and start testing your brain.